The 7 benefits of an alkaline diet. Does it really work? If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please click subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. With so many diets out there today, it is difficult to decide which to follow. One diet that has many benefits is the alkaline diet. The Journal of Environmental Health published a review in 2012 which stated that balancing your body's pH levels while following an alkaline diet is healthy for your body and can decrease the chances of you contracting diseases. This includes hypertension, vitamin D deficiency, low bone density, and arthritis. pH levels are measures of acidity or alkalinity in your body. This scale runs between 0 to 14, where 0 is completely acidic and 14 is completely alkaline. For the best health results, it is recommended to keep your body's pH levels between 7.35 and 7.45. Today's video will explore the benefits of following an alkaline diet. 1. Prevents cancer. Cancer cells have no way to live in an alkaline environment and they die off. Therefore, following an alkaline diet is a very effective way to decrease your chances of being diagnosed with cancer. 2. Decreases pain and inflammation. Following an alkaline diet can help to decrease pain in your back, head, muscles, and joints. It can even help supplement your body with essential nutrients, such as magnesium and potassium, both of which decrease inflammation in the body. A study was conducted by the Society for Minerals and Trace Elements in Germany in 2011. This study followed patients with chronic back pain, who were given a supplement that was high in alkaline minerals. After taking this supplement for 4 weeks, a majority of the patients reported reduced pain in their back. 3. Decreases heartburn. An alkaline diet can benefit your digestive system, particularly, it helps reduce acid reflux and heartburn. That is because reflux and heartburn normally occur in a more acidic environment. Eating alkaline foods can help to settle your stomach and help your digestive system run more efficiently. 4. Boosts immune system. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens are all alkalines. These foods also contain antioxidants, which help to strengthen your immune system. If your immune system is strong and healthy, your body will fight off germs and diseases effectively. 5. Prevents nutrient deficiency. When the body is functioning on the alkaline side, there is a decreased chance that it has a deficiency in minerals like calcium, sodium, magnesium, and potassium. All of these minerals help to level out the pH levels in your body. 6. Improves heart health. An alkaline diet can also help to improve your heart and cardiovascular system. It can help reduce your chances of having a stroke or having high blood pressure. Since fresh fruit and vegetables are alkaline and have anti-inflammatory properties, they reduce swelling in the body. When inflammation is decreased, the body has a decreased risk of plaque forming in the arteries and clots forming in the heart valves. This diet can also help to prevent your body from absorbing bad cholesterol, which in turn lowers blood pressure and reduces the chances of a heart attack. 7. Weight management. Along with all of these health benefits, following an alkaline diet can help one to lose any excess weight. With this diet, mostly raw, fresh vegetables and fruit are consumed. These help the body to maintain a healthy body mass index number and to get rid of any harmful toxins. Foods that are alkaline make you feel fuller longer and help you to burn fat more efficiently. Have you ever heard of an alkaline diet? Have you tried it before, or have been wanting to try it? Let us know in our comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.